Hello, welcome to Tasty Buds. I'm Ramya here. Today I'm going to show you all how to make appam. And appam is an typical South Indian recipe which is mostly made in Kerala as their breakfast. Since it is very much lightweight and it's also a good recipe to be taken as breakfast. Got proteins and good in taste. So let's check the ingredients, what are required to make appam. So into the bowl, I have kept 2 bowls here. So to this bowl, I am adding 1 glass of raw rice, 1 glass of raw rice, another glass of boiled rice. As you can feel and see the difference between this raw rice and as well as boiled rice. So now I am adding boiled rice. So I am soaking both the rice into the vessel. You can see both the rice. So I have soaked raw rice as well as boiled rice. So into the same glass I have taken 1/4 glass of whole urud dal. 1/4 glass of whole urud dal, which I'll be soaking into the another bowl. Only 1/4 glass of whole urud dal. So to this I have taken 1/2 tablespoon of fenugreek. As you can see, 1/2 tablespoon of fenugreek, which I am soaking into the urud dal. So now I am adding water to both of the containers. So now I have washed both the rice into one vessel thoroughly and I have added water, which I will be soaking it for 5 hours. Same likewise, I have washed the urud dal, whole urud dal of 1/4 glass. I have washed 2 to 3 times. I have soaked in the water, which I will be soaking it for 5 hours. So both the ingredients will be togetherly soaked for 5 hours. Dear friends, this is the batter which I have showed you earlier with the soaked rice. I have made it into paste and allow it to ferment for 4 to 5 hours. So once it is well fermented, I will show you the next procedure. So this is the consistency. This is the consistency to make appam batter. So into the mixer jar, I have taken coconut, 1 whole coconut. So I have cut it into pieces. Now to this coconut I will be adding 2 glasses full of water. Can be any measurement of the glass as you prefer to extract the milk. So this is the coconut milk which has been taken from fresh coconut by adding 2 glasses of water. I'll be straining this through this sieve to take out the milk. So I have extracted all the milk from the tender coconut. This is the sieve which I have filtered, and I am discarding this coconut husk, which is a waste. All the milk has been extracted. I am just throwing this away and the milk is here. This is a fresh milk from the coconut. So now to this appam batter which has been fermented, I am adding this milk of half glass. I'm adding the milk of half glass to this and mixing it well and diluting it. So no need to add coconut because the taste will differ. Instead, you can use the extraction of milk. Even you can prefer ready-made coconut milk, that will do. Since we don't like that, so I am extracting the tender coconut or fresh one. So I have added the coconut milk and I have diluted to this consistency. Please note down. So to this rest of the milk, I am adding sugar of 1 kuri karandi whole. You can also increase the tasteness of sugar as you prefer. I have added 1. I have added 2 kuri karandi of sugar to this extracted milk and allowing it to dilute. So to this extracted milk, I have added sugar and I have diluted it. I am adding 1 pinch of salt to give a taste and mixing it. So to this heated up kadai, I am adding 1 kuri karandi of dough and I have rotated it well. I'll put the flame to simmer and close it with the lid so that it gets well cooked. Once it is well cooked, I'll be removing the lid. So take out the lid in between and just check it whether it is cooked or not. It needs some more time to cook. So I'm again closing it with the lid and simmer the flame. So our beautiful appam is ready now to eat. It has well cooked. As you can see, you can just remove it from your hands. This is a non-stick kadai where I am using to make appam. So you can lift it. Our appam is ready now along with coconut milk. You can have this along with coconut milk as a breakfast in the morning. It's a very lightweight tiffin. So dear friends, follow the instructions how I have told you to make appam. It's an excellent source of energy to have it as a breakfast. So enjoy this recipe amongst your friends and relatives and try it out. And do not forget to comment in the comment section below how it has turned out in your home. And do not forget to subscribe my Tasty Bud channel for more other interesting recipes. Thank you so much. I'll be meeting you with another recipe.